Today let's make some finger-licking fried chicken with spinach jalapeno pancakes. Can I get a hallelujah? Hi, this is ETY'S and welcome to my kitchen. Fried chicken is one of the most popular dishes in the world. Everybody is obsessed with it. There is so many versions of the fried chicken and many people claim to know how to make it best or even claim they invented it. Take a look at America. They even instated the National Day of the Fried Chicken on July 6th. That's a little cuckoo, right? Can you give me a favor? Fried, I like butter. Two crucial things if you want to make a successful fried chicken. One is the coating. That's where you're gonna get all the flavors. And two, the marinade. Why? Because you want that juicy chicken. Today, I'm going to make the best fried chicken the world has ever seen. It's my way of the highway. Yeah.
For my marinade, I'm going to add a teaspoon of each of the following spices: salt, powdered garlic, thyme, cayenne pepper, turmeric, smoked paprika, and cumin. Then I'll add some almond milk to my marinade because I have guests that are dairy-free, but you can use buttermilk, or milk, any milk you'd like. And then I'll just poke some holes into my chicken, set it aside, put it in the fridge for at least 5 hours. Then for my pancake mix, I add 2 cups of flour into my bowl, 1.5 cups of almond milk or whole milk, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a full teaspoon of sugar, and just a pinch of salt. And I mix that all up and add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil or butter. Mix that all up, and this is the texture you should get. Nice and thick batter. Cut in some jalapeno and spinach that you're going to add into your pancake mix. For my coating, about 4 cups of flour, 4 tablespoons of salt, and now about 1 tablespoon of each spices: powdered garlic, thyme, cumin, nutmeg, smoked paprika, allspice, cayenne pepper, and fresh black pepper. Mix that all up. Give it a taste. Make sure it's nice and salty. Once I bring my oil to medium heat, I drop my chicken into the flour, drop it, press it like 3 times, and drop it in the oil. Again, drop it, press it, turn it, and drop it in the oil. Drop it, press it like 3 times again, and drop it in the oil. Yeah. One last one. Drop it, press it hard as you can, and drop it in the oil. Look at this chicken. Voila.
Show the truth. Yes.
I'll take another pan, throw some olive oil in it, add my spinach, then my jalapeños, and then saute those two for at least 30 seconds until soft. Just like this. And then I'll just drop my pancake mix. Now I tilt it to get it even. Now, 12 minutes later, my fried chicken is ready. Look at this, guys. Voila, I let it rest. Now let's go back to my pancake. When I see little bubbles coming out, I just slide the pancake into a plate and then flip it back into my pan, just like this. Et voila, look on the other side. Look at that golden color. Now let's plate. I cut my pancake into slices, just like this. And I'll put 3 on my plate. And add 2 pieces of fried chicken. For my sauce, guys, honey, truffle oil, and fresh ground pepper. Mix it all up just like this and drizzle it into your plate. Just drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Look at this. This is how you get a gourmet, crispy, finger-licking fried chicken with spinach jalapeno pancakes. Boom!
Our fried chicken is finally done. I'm salivating. I'm so hungry, guys, so let's get to it. Guys, this is it. Remember, guys, the crust is everything. It has all the flavor, and don't forget to marinate. This is how you get a nice, juicy, tender fried chicken. People are used to maple syrup, but trust me, when they try that truffle, honey, black pepper sauce, they will lose their mind. So why pancakes? Well, one day my waffle machine broke and I just decided to make pancakes with some spinach in there, and it actually makes this whole dish slightly more healthy. Guys, I hope you learned something today, so please subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll see you next time.